Dr.Ashwin Dobariya welcomes you to Programming in C video series. In this theory video, we will discuss the concept of operator precedence, or we can say the priority, and associativity. Actually, in this video, we will discuss two terminology relevant to the programming C. First terminology is precedence or a priority, and associativity, and both the terminology are related to the operators. Even we know that in C language many different category of operators are there, like arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, size of operators, that we already discussed in the prior videos, right? If you want to review revise the same video or same topic of operators, you can view the operators video. The link is given in the description part. So let's discuss about the two important concepts of the operator precedence or associativity. The first concept, let me discuss the operator precedence, or you can say priority. So whenever any expression is having a different operators, then operators priority decide which operator is to be performed or evaluated first, right? Or which operator is to be given the first priority in case of execution. That so generally our expression is having only two operand, like 5 plus 3, and it will store into that. So in that case there is no need of priority. But suppose the expression is too long, which includes many different type of operators. Here plus and multiplication, okay, both are arithmetic, but sometimes one expression may contain a different type of operator. So in that case the compiler execute the operator based on its priority. Now every operator is having its own priority, that we will discuss in the upcoming slides. Every operator is having its own priority. So here in this expression, for example, 5 plus 3 multiplied by 2, then we know that as per the mathematics norms, multiplication is having a higher priority than the addition. So first the compiler will evaluate 3 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 2, it means 6. After that 6 will be added into 5, and then answer will be stored into X. So here two arithmetic operators, plus and multiplications, are there. So we cannot execute like that, 5 plus 3 then multiply by 2. So 16 is the wrong answer, because the compiler will not evaluate plus first, because it is having the less priority as compared to multiplication. So here one thing we have to understand, that when priority comes into the pictures in the execution. So first condition is if expression contain many operators in the or many different type of operator in the expression. That is one thing. Second thing, a operator which is having a high priority, that will be evaluated first, right? So this is the concept of operator priority, or you can say precedence. Now let's see the concept of associativity. Sometimes even in our example also, here plus and multiplication both are same operators, but the priority of multiplication is high. That's why these 3 multiplied by 2 execute first. Now when the associativity concept will arrive in the execution, so associativity means the direction of the executions. Either expression will be evaluated from left to right or right to left, that is known as a associativity. So it is used when two operators of the same precedence or a priority appear in an expression, then associativity can be either left to right or right to left. What does it mean? Suppose here in this example, here 10 plus 5 minus 3 plus 4. So here plus minus plus. So plus and minus both are having a equal priority, and when there is a equal priority, then how to evaluate this expression? After then second things, it should be verify the associativity. Associativity means these plus minus are the type of arithmetic operator. Then arithmetic operators are having the associativity means left to right. It means it will be evaluated from left side to right side. The evaluation direction is from left to right. So first it will evaluate 10 plus 5, it means 15, then after minus 3, then minus 3 means 12, then plus 4, then 16. So in that way it will evaluate. So associativity comes into the pictures when an expression contains the similar priority of operators. And when the same priority operators are there, then it will check which is the associativity, means which is the execution direction, from left to right or right to left. In other words, if we can say about the associativity, then it decides the direction of executions process. For example, the example we already discussed over here. Now, suppose if this is the second example, 20 divided by 5 plus 10 multiplied by 2. Now see here, plus, here division, plus and multiplication. So we know that division and multiplication both are equal priority, and plus is the less priority. So which one will be evaluated first, 20 divided by 5 or 10 multiplied by 2? So here division and multiplication both are having a same priority. Then the associativity is from left to right. So first left side part will be evaluated. 20 divided by 5, it means 4, then plus 10 multiply 2. Now here plus and multiplication, so plus is having less priority as compared to multiplication. So first it will evaluate 10 multiplied by 2, it means 20. After that it will evaluate the 24. So this is the overall concept of the priority and the associativity. So at least you should aware about the priority of each and every operators and its associativity. In this the upcoming slides, now see in this, this is the list of operators, then type of operators and its associativity. So the operator which comes at the top side, which is having the highest priority. So out of all type of operators, the brackets, dots, and this you can say this is generally used in a pointer. So these operators are having the highest priority in the execution, and the associativity is left to right. After that, at the second stage, we can say pre-increment, post-increment, pre-decrement, post-decrement, right? All these operators are having, or you can say unary operator is having the second highest priority, and the unary operator generally execute from the right to left. So associativity of the unary operators is right to left. Suppose if we consider like minus 5, so minus, you can say plus or minus. Minus, it means negation, right? So negations will first evaluate, then from right to left. Then after arithmetic operator. Now see, in arithmetic operator we know that multiplication, division and modulus, then plus and minus, all 5 are arithmetic operator, but out of 5 these 3 is having highest priority, multiplication, division and modulus. Now if we compare these 3, then they are having equal priority, but as compared to plus and minus, they are having highest priority. So according to that it will evaluate, and this arithmetic operator is having left to right associativity. Then comes into the next level is the shift operator, left shift and right shift operators, right? And the majority operators are having associativity from left to right. Only unary operators evaluate from right to left. After that relational operators will come. Even in C, the relational operator is also, this is less than, greater than or equal to, and equality and not equality. So all are relational, but out of all these 5, the less than, greater than, they are having the highest priority as compared to equality and not equality. After that, AND operator, it means all bitwise operators. So in bitwise operator again, AND operators, or XOR, then OR operator, and logical OR, and you can say ternary or conditional operators. So in that way the operators are having the priority. And now see, ternary operator also evaluate from right to left. All others are associativity is from left to right. Now the assignment operators, generally equal to is a assignment operator. This is a compound, you can say assignments. Plus is equal to, the meaning of plus is equal to is nothing but like x plus is equal to 1 means x is equal to x plus 1. So assignment operator is also having a second, you can say from the bottom side it is having the priority. And we can say the lowest priority is the comma operators. In all, if we compare with all operators, then comma is the lowest priority, and bracket is the highest priority. So this kind of questions may ask in the MCQ also. So in that way we have discussed 2 important points in this video. One is the priority. When priority is required, whenever the expression contain many operators, many different type of operators. And when the associativity concepts arrive, when the operators are having a equal priority, then from which direction the execution will happen. So this is the concept, and let's discuss one example. Suppose you have written the C program like that: integer a is equal to 7, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 20, d is equal to 4, e is equal to 30, and answer. And suppose the expression is like that: answer is equal to a plus b into c divided by d and minus a. So this is the expression that we mention in the C program. Now how compiler will evaluate this? So here compiler will implement these two concepts, priority as well as associativity. So let's just for understanding, we place all these value in place of variable name, like a means 7 plus b means 3 multiply by c 20 divide by d 4 and minus e 13. So here plus, multiplication, division and minus all are the operators. But we know that the bracket is having highest priority. So first it will evaluate 20 divided by 4. So the answer of 20 divided by 4 is 5. Remaining thing will remain as it is. Now out of all these, again the bracket is there. So bracket is having the highest priority. So 3 multiplied by 5. First it will evaluate, so it becomes 15. Now 7 plus 15 minus 13. Now see, here only two operators are there, plus and minus. So it means plus and minus both are having equal priority. Then the execution will start from the left to right, because the arithmetic operator associativity is from left to right. So first 7 plus 15, it becomes 22, then minus 30 and it becomes 9. So this is the overall concept of the priority and the associativity. So I hope friends you understood and enjoy these videos, and in the description part of this video I have also mentioned the link of all other theory and practical video for your reference. So please friends, share these videos to your friends, like this video, and for getting the updates of upcoming videos, please subscribe these videos. So in next video we'll discuss again the very important topic, that is storage class in C, and there are 4 storage class. We will discuss with the practicals, auto storage class, extern, static and register, and how they are different from each other. That we will discuss in the next session. Thank you very much.